It's Ashley from WTI.
USA Toy Store makes a really fun race car set. These are glow-in-the-dark tracks. They easily snap together, and this is a stem building toy. You can use this for hours. There's different configurations you can do. You can make these suspension bridges, and it has these little balls that the cars can push along. It's easy to use, and it's also easy to store this. I store it in a plastic container. These cars are really fun. They go pretty fast and they light up. They also work off of the track, not just on the track. It's safe for your kids, and I would say if you are wanting to get this, go for it. My son plays with this for hours, or if you're wanting to get it as a gift, it would be fantastic for some parents to have this for their kids. So I highly recommend. It's a quality product that you won't regret getting.
And that's my point of view.